Hi, my name is Anna. What is your name?
Hi, Anna. I am Tom. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from, Tom?
I am from London. I am English. And you?
I am from Hanoi. I am Vietnamese.
Oh, cool. Do you live in Hanoi now?
Yes, I do. I live with my family. Do you live in London?
No, I don't. I live in New York now. I work here.
Nice. What do you do?
I am a teacher. I teach English. What about you?
I am a student. I study English.
Great. How old are you, Anna?
I am 20 years old. And you?
I am 25.
Do you like New York?
Yes, I do. It is big and fun. Do you like Hanoi?
Yes, I love it. It is beautiful.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother. His name is Ming. He is 15.
Cool. I have one sister. Her name is Lily. She is 22.
Nice. Is she in London?
No, she is in Canada. She studies there.
Oh, interesting. Do you speak Vietnamese?
No, I don't. I only speak English. Do you speak English well?
A little. I am learning.
That's good. I can help you.
Thank you, Tom.
You're welcome. Do you go to school every day?
Yes, from Monday to Friday. What about you?
I work from Monday to Friday, too.
Do you like coffee or tea?
I like coffee. And you?
I like tea. Green tea.
Nice. Do you drink coffee?
Sometimes, not every day.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat. Her name is Mimi.
Cute. I have a dog. His name is Max.
I like dogs too. Is Max big?
Yes, he is big and friendly.
Good. Do you play sports?
Yes, I play football. Do you play sports?
I play badminton.
Cool. Do you watch TV?
Yes, I watch cartoons.
I watch movies, action movies.
Nice. Do you like music?
Yes, I like pop music. And you?
I like K-pop.
Oh, fun. Do you sing?
Yes, in the shower.
Ha ha ha. Me too.
Do you cook?
A little. I can make eggs and pasta.
I can cook pho. It is Vietnamese soup.
I want to try pho.
Okay. One day I cook for you.
Thank you.
Do you have a phone?
Yes, I do. Do you want my number?
Yes, please.
It is 555-1234.
Okay, I save it. My number is 555-5678.
Thank you. I save it too.
Great. Do you use Facebook?
Yes, I do. My name is Tom Green.
I will find you. My name is Anna Nguyen.
Perfect.
What time is it now?
It is 3 o'clock.
Oh, I have class at 4.
Okay. See you later.
Yes. Bye, Tom.
Bye, Anna. Have a good class.
Hi, Tom. How are you today?
Hi, Anna. I am good. And you?
I am happy. I have no class today.
Nice. What do you do today?
I go to the park with my brother. Do you want to come?
Yes. I like parks. What time?
At 10 o'clock.
Okay. I meet you there.
Great. See you soon.
Hi, Anna. Hi, Ming.
Hi, Tom. This is my brother, Ming. Hello, Tom. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Ming. How old are you?
I am 15.
Cool. Do you go to school?
Yes, every day. Ming likes football.
Really? I play football too.
Great. Do you want to play now?
Yes. Let's play.
I watch you. I am not good at football.
Okay. Come on, Ming.
You are good, Tom.
Thank you. You were fast.
Good job, both of you.
Thank you, Anna. Do you want ice cream?
Yes, I like chocolate.
I like vanilla.
Okay, I buy for you.
Thank you, Tom.
You're welcome.
Tom, tell me about your family.
Okay, my mom is a doctor. My dad is an engineer.
Nice. Do they live in London?
Yes, they do.
Do you miss them?
Yes, sometimes, but I call them every week.
That's good. My parents are teachers.
Oh, cool. Do they teach English?
No, my mom teaches math. My dad teaches history.
Interesting.
Anna, can Tom come to our house?
Yes. Tom, do you want to come?
Yes, I do. When?
Today, for dinner.
Great. What time?
6 o'clock.
Okay. I bring dessert.
Thank you.
Welcome, Tom.
Hello. Thank you for inviting me.
Come in. Sit down.
Thank you. This is cake.
Oh, nice. Chocolate cake.
Mom cooks pho today.
Yes. I want to try.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes. A little.
Okay, I make it not too spicy.
Tom, do you like games?
Yes. What games?
Video games.
I like Mario.
Me too. Let's play after dinner.
Okay.
Tom, the pho is good?
Yes, very good. Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome.
Tom, do you travel a lot?
Yes, I do. I go to 10 countries.
Wow. Which country is your favorite?
Japan. The food is great.
I want to go to Japan.
You should go. It is beautiful.
I want to go to England.
You can visit me in London one day.
Really?
Yes,
Tom, what is your plan this weekend?
I want to visit the museum. Do you want to come?
Yes. Ming, you too?
Yes.
Perfect. Saturday at 9?
Okay.
Be careful. Have fun.
Thank you, Dad. Thank you, Mom.
Come again, Tom.
I will. Good night.
Good night, Tom.